Well, when buying a new or used car from Motorline, we have highly trained sales execs with a wealth of experience in the brand. We have fantastic packages on both new and used cars, array of demonstrators for you to come and drive, and we tailor it to suit you. We have the best people to work on your cars. Our pricing for servicing, repairs are highly competitive. They're fixed price, clear, transparent, so when you're comparing, you know you've got the total price. So having a fully trained Toyota technician to work on your car is the best person to work on it. We've got a lovely, comfortable waiting area where we've got soft drinks and coffee. Free Wi-Fi, so you can catch up on any social media feeds and catch up a bit of work and emails, as we all do. And a nice open environment, just so you can enjoy your experience being here. It's not just about selling you a car, it's also about looking after you after your purchase for parts, servicing, MOTs, repairs, bodywork. We do all of it all here in-house.